Okay, so we are designing MTN logo. The first thing we have to know is this: before we design, we should have the concept of what we want to design in mind. We are doing MTN logo to start with. The color composition for MTN brand is yellow, blue, and red. So let us come in. First thing is that you come to your rectangle tool, you pick it, then you come here, you drag it here, you center it, then you can give it color that is yellow. If you know your MTN logo very well, yellow, then you come to your eclipse tool, you click it, you come here, you drag it like this. That's what I'm doing. You center it. So we have blue color, you can see blue color. You can make it this way. Let me adjust this edge. Okay, blue color, let me adjust the size. Okay, I hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, then I will doing the MTN logo is very simple. MTN, you can give it a better font. MTN, you can see now right. You can actually separate this. That's what I'm doing. To separate, you come here or you press Ctrl K to break text apart. So I have my yellow here. Then I can actually draw another text here, that's red. So this gives MTN logo. Let me adjust it. Okay, let me adjust it more. This MTN logo. I'm done with MTN logo. You can see that MTN logo. Now let's look at other logo. I'll just do 2 more logo, then I will end the session logo designing. Okay, let's look at Etisalat logo. I'm designing for the telecommunication. Etisalat logo. Let's look at it. Etisalat logo. Now, formally they use this as their logo. I'm done with MTN logo. Okay, the color of Etisalat is green and lemon, if I'm right, something lemon. So let's do something lemon. Okay, just follow me. You can actually draw this thing. Now I always tell people to measure. You can use this grid. You're able to measure what you want to do. It will help you a lot in achieving what you want to do. Now let's start. Just follow. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Sorry. Alright, so let me give this color. Okay, just look here. I want to merge this. Just follow me. Can see this. Now, if you know the salad logo